Hi everyone, Dr. Carrie Scarff here again. Many people are likely going to be traveling a little closer to home this summer. However, we should nonetheless still consider a few top tips for taking care of your hearing aids, even if you're going just for an overnight trip. First of all, consider taking some extra batteries if you use them, or certainly pack your rechargeable charger and any adapter that you might need. And don't forget your cleaning tools and your filters. They should all fit nicely into your hearing aid carrying case because they are quite small. If you need another case to get ready for your trip, just let us know. We have lots on hand and we can certainly provide an extra one to you. Be extra cautious when you're taking off things over your head like a rain poncho or a scarf from around your neck. Be sure that your hearing aids are still in place after doing so, and the same goes for removing hats and visors. Be extra careful around swimming pools, rivers, and the ocean. If you're going to spend an entire day by the water, make sure that not only you don't lose the hearing aids in the water, but also that they don't get splashed and don't get wet. If you're going to spend a lot of time somewhere that's quite humid, or if you tend to sweat a lot when you're out in the heat doing lots of different outdoor activities, you might want to consider investing in a special UV dehumidifying device. We have them in stock and they are a really good investment for some of our patients. So be sure to contact us for more information or for any of the devices I mentioned, and take a look on our website, audiologyinnovations.ca, or check out our Audiology Innovations YouTube channel for more information about your hearing health. Thanks and stay healthy.